Because of the way we were brought up in this part of the world, we have a whole lot of money blocks. For example, if you call me Osaru's friend who stated online that his house is worth,
apparently this house is $1 million.
and if you go through the comment section,
wow,
you understand this money block I'm talking about. Is he the only person selling apps? He's into fraud. How can he say he's selling apps and he's making all that money? Why? Because their mindset has not been exposed to the reality that you can make this money legitimately. You need to fix that. First responsibility is to identify those money blocks. Ask yourself questions. Do you believe you can get wealth legitimately? Do you feel anybody that is extremely wealthy did that through legal means? Or do you think for you to have money, you will not make heaven? All those things, they are money blocks. And then understanding the sequence of creation. What do I mean? The sequence of creation says what you think controls how you feel, and how you feel controls what you do, and what you do controls your results, and your results inevitably brings about your lifestyle. Why am I saying this? If you think you cannot make this big money, or you cannot make it in the physical realm, it has to happen first in your mind. So at every given instance, always ensure that you are monitoring your thoughts.